I honestly don't know where the horn's going. Dane, are you still behind us somewhere?
I don't know.
Dane? Dane? Ah, there you are.
Oh.
Dane. Shoot to your right, to your behind. Hi. Behind you. Hi. Okay, this way. Okay, so that's the ledge. Okay, ship's that way. I think we should be in the clear. Just go.
Boys!
Hey, we're here.
Nice, congrats. I believed in miracles.
Okay, let's see. We're at 268.
I think we made it. Okay, I'm going.
Guess
We're
you
all in.
did.
One,
No,
two.
don't go
We're
yet.
missing someone. What are we missing?
381.
Michael,
over.
Yeah, we're good. We're in the clear.
Michael, I'm leaving. 5, 4,
What? No, we're all here.
3,
Watch this.
2,
Watch.
1,
Okay, I'm watching.
0.
Close yourself out of the shit. Good evening, Twitter.
Well, hey, we made it, Noah. Would you look at that?
Amen, brothers.
Amen,
Amen.
brothers.
No, I think we need to give thanks for thanks due. I'd
No.
like to thank Dale Earnhardt.
Jeez, there's so much in there still.
Not you.
Oh, dude, I'm an employee now.
Amen.
That's what happens when I keep getting most profitable.
No one cares. Plus, you're black.
Damn, that sounds like something a black guy would say.
Alright. Alright, whores, and something else.
I'm gonna grab 3 keys and a walkie-talkie, and I'm gonna go out there.
Leave the walkie-talkie and the keys. Those are the ones we saved because keys are only worth 3.
Ow! I got hit by something.
Weird.
Is that you, Paul?
No.
Yeah, you're on the ceiling, Michael. No big deal.
Yeah, you just. I think you got hit by a bird. Wait, we're missing something from in there. Oh, careful, the door is open, so, okay.
You guys are not happy. I would get the fuck away.
You already killed Dane.
You judge him? Yeah. Okay, the door's open, so he'll come grab us. Keep cooking it, Michael. Do it again. Do it again.
Let him marry.
Go on, Michael. Let him cook. Come on, Michael, cook. Come on, Michael, cook. Come on, Michael, cook. Cook, Michael. Cook. Hi, close the door.
Oh, shut up!
Alright, good. I'm leaving. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't mind the evil laughter. Hey, Dean, welcome back.
Welcome
Alright, I'm
aboard.
by the zap gun.
No,
What?
no, do not buy the zap gun. It's really bad.
Quota reached. We're so good, guys. We're so good.
The zap gun does as much as like a 1 hit from a shovel. It's like people are complaining about it. That's why people mod it. Did you buy it anyway?
No, I did not.
What'd you buy?
We only have $300, and I think we're supposed to have a lot more. So I think Michael bought a zap gun.
Companied out.
I did not buy
Well,
that gun, I can
company it out.
promise you.
Okay.
We can call it a night here. No idea where to go. I'm gonna hit you with a shovel.
Okay, I'm gonna have sex with you. There's 2 bees.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. Oh well, we can get the bees pretty easily then.
Present
Oh, wait.
and a metal tray already.
We can get the bees easily because that's what we can use the teleporter. One of us just grabs it. Ooh, present. he's just leaving every time.
Use the. The way I'm not scared is if I'm hurrying.
No, use the teleporter though, but we can use that. Someone can pick up the bees and then I'll teleport you back when you have the beehive. Yeah. We might be able to get both, but I don't know. Give me like 10 seconds and then go for it. I don't know if you can hear me. Okay.
Holy shit! Thank God, Paul.
What was up there?
There's eyeless dog chasing me.
Oh!
I literally, you ran away and he like came up over the hill right behind me and I just stood there crouched and I was like,
Oh.
oh shit, and Paul can't hear me, and then saying that, he looked at me and I was like, ah.
I love that Paul's like, okay, it runs off, and then no, all I hear is no. It's like, oh no.
It was only 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Why did you spawn?
I don't know. Let's get walkies then, since we could actually use them.
Okay, hell yeah, let's get walkies. That wasn't a bad bit, but oh my god, we need 7:30. Yeah, we're fucking dying.
Yeah, probably. It's gonna be hard. Alright, oh wait. Let me check the moons. We're just gonna go to experimentation, cause...
Whatever works, whatever works.
God damn it, dude.
We love the company, over.
We like the company, over. Nah, just kidding. We love the company.
Careful when you walk in the front door.
Oh, why is that?
Look around, find out.
Alright, I gotta be able to jump first. I haven't been able to do that, so I keep fucking up.
I think it's like the same distance to go all the way around. Also, the only way to go is the way that there's something that might kill us.
Is it a creature? Where'd you go?
Yeah, there's literally nothing there. This is the only way to go.
Okay. Well, shit.
Maybe the railing.
Wait, crouch? No, never mind, no.
Thinking maybe if you get on the railing.
I have an idea. I'm gonna try it. Give me a sec. Wish me luck.
You just.
Give me a sec.
You're just gonna hope it doesn't shoot over. It shoots over your head.
No. I went too early. Give me a sec. Alright. Oh, come on! The Springtrap guy is right here. Oh, and so is the other guy. Just grab my stuff and go. And then teleport me back. I am... No, just... Yeah, grab that stuff and go. I'm pretty much dead.
I'm hurrying, Paul. I'm hurrying.
You're good. You're good. I'm chilling.
The fucking Braxton and the fucking... That's crazy. There's a new animal out here I've never seen before.
There's something big.
You sound like you're
There's
dead.
something. I'm alive. There's something big stomping out here, so I'm right by me. So
There's something I just ran past. I slid down the hill, and there's a new creature I've never seen before outside.
sounds good.
It was like a weird wing mole. Alright, you want TP?
Yes, please. Yes, TP now, please. Yes, yes, TP, please. Holy fuck! Holy shit! Holy fuck!
Do you want to go see that new guy?
Sure, I guess. Oh my god.
I don't know what it was. Unless it's gone now. Let's look past him like right here.
Oh, he's right there. He's right there.
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know. It's a monkey. Hey,
I
monkey.
scanned him already, so we can look on the computer.
Monkey. Oh, it's a bird? Oh, it's a baboon. What? A baboon hawk? It's angry. It's a baboon hawk. That's interesting. All right.
I wonder what they do. They
I have no
protect
idea.
hidden treasure.
Maybe. I mean, we could chase him. Or it looked like we could chase him. He was leading us somewhere. But, oh my god. On my end, holy shit.
I saw the. Yeah, I saw it. You were just staring at the one guy and someone else came in.
It was the, like,
Let me
crawling
look
dude.
Make yourself at home. To complete the onboarding process, you will want to check the instruction manual and sign into your ship's computer terminal. We trust you will be a great asset to the company. Great asset to the company. Great asset to the company. Great asset.
What the fuck? Where'd you get that?
I can move stuff. I didn't realize you can move stuff, but apparently you can move stuff.
How?
If you press B on it.
B?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Mm-hmm. I guess it makes sense because we can buy like furniture and shit. So.
Bro, look at that. We could, dude. If a dog chases us or something.
Just block it. I'd block it. Yeah. Yeah, probably. All right. Anyway.
I'm down for one more day.
Okay. One more day or one more deadline.
Deadline.
Okay. Wait. Wait. Why can't I move it? Noah? I made a mistake. I can't move it.
Oh man, only from the other side or some shit.
No, I think
Oh,
it's...
there we go.
Wait, how'd you get over? What? Noah? What'd you do?
What?
Why can't you go through it?
I'm not gay like you. It's an anti-gay barrier.
What? Oh, fuck off. Why couldn't I change it? That's so weird. Okay, anyway, let's go grab our shit. What'd you get?
Oh
Alright.
shit, are they attacking? Oh shit, I thought they were attacking us. A flashlight and a shovel, I think.
Alright, yeah. I'll be your shovel to you. You be the flashlight to my shovel.
You know, I always wanted to be the shoveler, because then I don't have to be in front. And
Yeah.
It just is. Michael's always been my shoveler.
Do you want to be the shovel?
I'm the scared guy, and I'm always going first.
I can be the
But
flashlight guy.
It's too late. I'm a bitch if I change now.
Okay, true.
Left.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, vent is open, so... Oh shit, watch out.
What?
You see him
Oh.
on the roof?
You want to be the
On the-
sacrificial? Get over here, bitch. Yeah! Punk. Good idea. Oh, okay.
I saw that vent open and I was like, Dog, big dog, get that dog. I want to see if this works as a barricade. Do not let it through. 'Cause look, oh, why you do that?
Mhm.
You don't like having that there or what?
Well, I just...
Oh, I know, but I meant like where it was at.
I mean, it was fine, but it was kind of in the way.
Kinda. in the
Wait,
way, but
did
that's
you
what
just
I'm
hear that?
saying.
Oh, there's
Yeah,
something out
that's
there.
That's what I was saying though, look. I wonder if the dog can fit through this gap.
He's right out there, so...
Dog! Gotta find out. First day by day to find out.
True.
Yeah, bet that no. Yeah, bet that no.
Or at the back end of the ship. There's a big thing coming behind you.
Where?
I think that's the worm. It's like right outside. Dog's coming on your left. He's coming on the right, at the right of our ship. He's coming to the right on the ship.
Nigga dog.
Oh fuck!
He can run through. So yeah, he can run straight through the thing, huh? Kind of dog shit, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
Well, now we know that that is not a strategy. Also, how
I
did
think-
he fucking kill me? It was like eating you.
I
and
think
it's-
I think we made it though. I don't think we lost anything.
Oh,
Oh, never mind.
That's gay.
That's dumb. Well, we tried. Oh, it's all scrap. So it doesn't matter.
Oh, so yeah, putting it. Yeah, I see. That's fucking gay. What, I just gained something?
Big bolt.
Why
What?
is it doing that?
Wait, what else is it?
Oh, there's still something in there.
Oh,
Whoa,
jet
what the hell? I've never seen that before.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's an engine there.
See that?
And a,
I hear something?
yeah, I heard something.
I think it's to the right. Hopefully it's behind this fucking door. You want me to carry you?
I can carry it. I'll just drop it.
And we could leave it there, like a crossroads, so to help us on our way
True.
to know our way back.
Okay. Dropped it.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
I also am carrying 57 pounds, so I'm really slow on that.
Already?
Yeah.
Dang. All right. We go on. Huh?
I think it's on the other side of that door. It is! It's the leech! It's kind of cute.
Predicament.
What? Oh. 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 All right. Well.
The Bracken did not want to share his glory hole with me.
I guess so.
Alright, take this back.
There's your,
Report to the company building immediately to sell your scrap metal and other goods. You have 0 days left to meet the profit quota. You can use the terminal to route the autopilot to the company building.
Hey, your flashlight, by the way.
Word.
Did you see the Bracken?
Nope.
Okay.
I said stick your dick in, and then immediately died.
Oh, I thought I heard predicament and then died.
Oh, I said stick your dick in, and then it was immediately killed.
Okay. I heard predicament and then silence. I'm like, what?
Grab
And
it?
yeah, I'll grab it. And then I turned around and I saw you were like just non-existent. I'm like, wait, what?
No, I saw just his mouth was poking through, so I was like, oh, wrong button, hurry. Not wrong button, I just didn't know I was that close to the bell.
All right.
Noise.
Noise.
Fuck it, maybe we'll try the other. See, that's the thing, though, is most of the monsters, like the Bracken, like even if the taser or something worked on him, I don't ever see him when he kills me.
Oh, really?
He usually just sneaks up behind me.
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode as we are just going through and playing the game, learning the game, me and Noah are kind of playing by ourselves sometimes. So, well, I'm trying to cut it to keep it entertaining. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and I will see you in the next one. Good times.